Want to make your own DIY softbox for premium and exquisite lighting? I've got you. First, you're gonna need a curtain, and you cut out 4 pieces of this shape using these measurements. And cut a square using these measurements. This will be the base. Make a hole in the base for a lamp holder. Assemble all the parts using a glue gun. It's going to look like this. We're going to line the insides with aluminum foil for better light reflection. Use white glue for that. It should look like this. Fix the lamp holder into the base and secure it with a glue gun. Pour some paint on it to give it an aesthetic finish, or don't. Either way is fine. You can do more if you like. Connect the wire to the lamp holder. Insert your light source. And voila! To diffuse the light, I'm using this cloth, but you can use any of the following materials. Pause to read. Hold the material with either a tape or pegs. I choose pegs because they are easy to remove. Let there be light. Let's test it on my JBL. Let's add this light I found in our storeroom. So much better. Try this out and let me know what you think in the comments. And there you have it. Perfect lighting for your videos. Follow for more DIY tips. Adios.